What's up guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys a full tutorial on how to rob the museum. And I have my brother with me.
Hi guys.
His channel is in the description. His channel link, Muhammad bin Amr. So go and subscribe to him and go and subscribe to my friend Omzi Plays. His channel is in the description as well. So right here there's museum. Okay, we're nearly there. And I hope there's no police here. Okay, there's no police here. Hold me. Now you place it.
Let's go to the center. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not working.
Okay. Did you place it? Okay. Well, I didn't do it. Okay, we both do it at the same time. 3.
I found.
Okay, let's wait for it to get up.
Got it.
Okay. No, wait.
3, 2, 1. Oh man. Wait. I'll just switch to normal.
Okay, he's switching to Robert. And while we wait. Okay guys, so are you nearly? So guys, I started, I wasn't meant to say that, I was talking to my brother. So, the video, right now we have to, I know I'm just saying random stuff, but my brother, okay, Muhammad, 3, 2, 1.
No, it opens in 86 seconds.
Oh yeah, we have to wait 86 seconds, and then we both, what you call it, blast those things.
Hey, I'm just gonna climb this tower.
Okay. So right now we waited 86 seconds and now we're gonna blast it. Come on.
3, 2, 1. Whoa,
Oh,
let's
we're
go.
in. So guys,
What?
jump in safely and then go on this. You see this? Go on this red place.
I'm gonna take the planets, okay?
Okay. Grab the bones.
I'm taking the planets.
Okay, you take the planets.
Actually, nah. I'm gonna take something else. 3, 2.
I might take. I'm grabbing the bones.
Okay.
So you can grab. So guys, you can grab bones and everything else. So you go on that side. So there's 2 doors. You go that side. There's a gemstone there, and there's a mask over there. So, Muhammad, you go to the gemstone side.
No, I'm going to the mask side.
Are you gonna unlock it?
Yeah.
Okay. So he's gonna unlock it from there, and I'm gonna. Okay, like that. Down here.
Okay,
So there's this secret thing that you have to keep on moving. Okay. It's kind of hard for starters. So like that, and like that. Okay. Like that, and then like that. There we go. And then this secret wall will open. Are you on the room?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's wait for him.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, now pull the lever.
Yeah, I just have to grab the money.
Okay. I pulled my lever and then the Muhammad will pull switch room 2.
Yay.
He pulled switch room 2 and now let's
Yay.
get out. Are you out?
Yeah, I'm out.
Okay, come on, let's go out. Quickly, enter driver.
Come on,
unlock.
unlock it. Let's go quickly. Yay.
We're out and now we're celebrating. And now we have to go to the criminal base. I have another video on that where you can locate it.
Let's take a shortcut.
Okay, let's take shortcuts. Okay, from here, to here.
Jump up. Oh no. Run,
And
run. Cop.
I know.
I don't want to lose.
Oh, our tires blasted. Now they're back.
Come on. Let's go. Dodge him. Yeah, see
Look
that
at
thing
there.
gonna get that thing fast.
It's really bad if you have cops behind you.
Yeah, and you just finished the robbery.
Okay, then you feel sorrow. Oof. Okay, now here's the city, and here's the criminal base. We're here, and here's the criminal base.
Yay! I better put it in quick before any cop goes.
Yeah, we should better go in quick. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here, and this is the collector.
Yay!
Yeah, we
And it's
have
got
3,500.
Yeah, 2,500.
Yeah. That's how we rob the museum. I hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. And follow my Instagram page and Muhammad bin Amr, his channel, and Omzi Plays. His channel is in the link in the description down below. Goodbye.